In this video, I'm going to talk about the proper technique on how to check your blood pressure at home accurately the way they taught us in medical school. We're going step by step, 3 easy steps, and we're starting right now. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Kenny, helping you build healthy habits. Believe it or not, if you master the art of checking your blood pressure at home, your numbers will be more accurate than if it were checked at the doctor's office. And this matters because having healthy blood pressure improves every part of your life. It allows you to work harder, sleep better, live longer. Not to mention, if you manage your own blood pressure, you'll be saving a ton of money because you'll be reducing the amount of doctor's visits you'll need, and you might catch hypertension early and prevent hospital stays. Okay, so first off, in order to check your own blood pressure at home, you're gonna need your own blood pressure monitor. That's a huge topic all on its own, and there are a ton of different choices to choose from. Not a lot of physical stores carry decent blood pressure monitors yet, so that's why we recommend you buy yours online. Amazon is a great place to start. If you want our recommendations, check out this video right here. I'll leave links in the description below. But anyways, let's get back to blood pressure technique. Step number 1 is making sure that no external factors are affecting your blood pressure. If you just drank caffeine or alcohol, or you smoked, or you just ate a meal, or you just exercised, if you've done any of those things, our textbook says you should wait 30 minutes before checking your blood pressure. If you need to go to the bathroom, make sure you do that first because having a full bladder affects your blood pressure. Step 2 is position your body. The goal is to be relaxed and rested. So find a nice backrest, have your feet planted on the ground. Definitely don't cross your legs. It doesn't matter which arm you pick, but make sure that your cuff is on bare skin. So if you need to take off your jacket, roll up your sleeve, and have your arm rest on something, like an armrest or the table in front of you. And the cuff should be at the level of your heart. So this is the ideal setup. Just look at how relaxed I look. Step 3 is take multiple measurements. So take one measurement first, relax for 1 to 2 minutes, then take another measurement. If the top numbers differ by more than 10 between the first and second take, then you should take a third measurement and take the average of the 3. So here's how I would do it. My first reading was 110 over 80, and my second reading was 122 over 85. 110 and 122, that's more than 10 difference. So I took a third blood pressure and it came out to be 118 over 84. So I added the top numbers, took an average, added the bottom numbers, took an average, and it came out 117 over 83. Now, if you had a smart blood pressure monitor, it'll do all the calculations for you. So now that you have all the steps, 3 easy steps, check out this video guide over here where you can apply those steps and figure out your true baseline blood pressure. I talk about a quick and easy blood pressure schedule that you can implement today. All right guys, I'm here to help, so ask questions, leave comments, subscribe for more videos, tap on the screen over here for that guide. Keep on building those healthy habits, and thanks for watching.